Hello! In today's episode of Road to Future Readiness, we will be talking about the most demanding and the most trending skill, that is UI and UX. In simple terms, it means user interface and user experience. For example, if a house is being made, the architect is the UIUX designer and the constructor workers are the developers. It is one of the most creative and growing fields in which you get to design the interface of apps and websites. Now, there is also a major difference between UI and UX. UX refers to the experience users have with a product. For example, think about ordering food online. The UX consists of users' interaction with placing their order on company's website, their experience and their food. Whereas UI strictly refers to design and assets of a company's product. Let's go with the same example of food delivery. UI would focus on the visual design of the screens a user interacts with, the color, the buttons and every visual asset. Okay, so now I guess you are clear with what is UI, UX and the difference between them. In the next video, I'll tell you about how and why this field is so growing and what are the career opportunities in this field and why you should also learn this skill and take one step further towards your future readiness goal. Till then, keep learning.